30 दिन बाकी है, आराम से पढ़ लूंगी। 20 दिन बाकी है, आराम से पढ़ लूंगी। सिर्फ 1 दिन बाकी है, अब कैसे पढ़ूंगी? काश पहले ही पढ़ लिया होता।
And if you don't want to end up in that situation, watch this video till the end. Hello and welcome to Leap Scholar, India's #1 study abroad platform. Your one-stop destination to get expert counselling, applying to colleges, scholarships and IELTS coaching. If you dream to study abroad, then make sure to subscribe to our channel as we provide a lot of information that might help you achieve your dreams.
Before starting this video, I just want to let you guys know that we have a complete separate channel called IELTS Prep by Leap Scholar, where we create all the content related to IELTS, mock tests, complete IELTS course, student interviews and much more.
In this video, we are going to talk about the very important IELTS exam. IELTS or International English Language Testing System is an exam that proves how proficient you are in English. Most of the universities require their international students to give this exam to make sure that you can survive in another country without having any language problems. These tests are also essential to acquire good employment and for PR purposes. Thus, they help you to seal your seat in a top university abroad in a native English-speaking country. So, what does IELTS deal with? IELTS test is of two versions, the academic test and the general tests. The two IELTS versions comprise of 4 sections: reading, writing, listening and speaking. The test taker has to prove his or her skills in these 4 areas. The IELTS test can be taken either online, that is computer based, or offline, that is paper based test. The listening section is for 30 minutes. Speaking is for 11 to 14 minutes. Reading and writing is for 60 minutes. Now, generally it requires 3 to 4 months to prepare for IELTS. But most students succeeded in IELTS with 6 to 8 weeks of study plans. Based on your current level of English language, you should plan how to prepare for IELTS. Some will schedule for a 15-day IELTS preparation plan, while others may choose a 1-year study plan based on their skills. Generally, 3 to 4 months training is required to improve your IELTS skills and acquire a higher IELTS band. If your English skill level is good, you can plan for a short time plan. And if it isn't, you need to schedule a long-term plan to spend more time to prepare for IELTS. If your aim is to achieve a good IELTS score, let's say 8+ band, and reserve a seat in world's leading universities, you should be highly focused and organized. Begin planning with daily, weekly and monthly schedule covering all the IELTS aspects. IELTS test is connected with the topics including technology, environment, health, society, family, robotics, the internet, crime, transportation, etc. Therefore, make it a habit of reading news related to these. Make a note to include every section of the IELTS test in your IELTS study plan. Self-assessment helps you to identify your strengths and weaknesses. It also helps to keep more focus on your weaker areas. Now let's discuss that how can you start preparing for IELTS at home? Many students feel difficulty in studying for IELTS at home. However, with emphasis on the test format, creating a realistic plan and proper practice, studying for IELTS at home is not an impossible task. For preparing for IELTS at home, start with analyzing your English skills and create a plan based on your skill level and time you have to attend the test. The IELTS study plan should be realistic, covering all sections with more focus on your weaker areas. Therefore, divide the plan into day-wise schedule and include a weekly review session. After creating a realistic plan, it's time to follow it without any deviations. Don't over-practice and study restless. Study according to your schedule, but don't study 24/7, as it may make you feel restless and stressed. Stay confident and practice well. After completing each section or topic, don't forget to practice well and get opinions from others about your performance. Surround yourself with English. Practice speaking in English all the time. Communicate with your family, friends, relatives, and colleagues in English. This in turn will help you speak fluently with confidence in the test. If you have less time left for the exam or you need any assistance, Leap Scholar can help you with our free masterclass and crash course. The link will be in the description box below. If you are planning to study abroad, then my friend, look no further and subscribe to our channel. You won't be disappointed.